Hello guys. Share. We're live here at Quick Play Badminton Center. Finals for Mid 1 Arinola Cup Sunday match between Art and Brett versus Kenneth and Amber. Mid 1 finals. Tara, let's G. Share guys. Share. Thank you for supporting us. We really appreciate all your support, guys, here at Quick Play Badminton Center. Share. Thank you sa ating viewers. Hello. This is finals. And if you notice in court 3, that's semifinals for mid 2. Share, guys. Tap and share. Hi Warren, thank you for watching sa ating live. Quick Play Badminton Center, Arinola Cup Sunday, Finals, Mid 1. Art and Brett versus Amber and Kenneth. Share. Share tayo guys. Justin Tungol. Hi Justin, thank you for watching sa ating live. Hello po sa mga viewers natin. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Share. Tap and share po tayo, guys. Tap and share. Hi, John Patrick Alcantara. Thanks so much for watching. This is finals for Mid 1. Match between Art and Brett versus Amber and Kenneth. Arinola Cup Sunday, only here at Quick Play Badminton Center. Hashtag Home of the Champions. Hi Brian Fernandez. Shout out to Brian. Thank you for watching. Tap and share. Quick Play Badminton Center is located at Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Tap and share, guys. Thank you for watching. Score? Lab 3. Score Lab 3. Hi Ray Salas. Thank you for watching, Ray. Shout out to Ray. Tap and share, guys. Thank you for watching. 5-2. What's the score, Sir Art? 16-12? Score 16-12, change court. Hi Justine. Score update 16-12. Race to 31 points. No deuce. 16-12. Ray Salas, play there once. Balik kami, ang lakas ng mga players niyo. Thank you so much, Ray. Siguro isang factor kaya lumalakas yung mga player dito sa Quick Play Badminton Center dahil po may ginagawa po kaming program like this, Arinola Cup. It's happening every Sunday. Before, meron kaming mga level na beginner and low. Ngayon, wala na po kaming ganung level. Hi JC, shout out kay Rafael Chua. Hi Rafael, shout out to you. Ray Salas, balik ka na dito Ray Salas. Laro na tayo. Score 8-2. 18-12. Score 19-12. Rafael Chua, di mo na ako naalala yan. Naalala kita, Rafael. Help me to remember, Rafael. Help me, Rafael, to remember you. Hi, John Aaron D. Lorenzo. Thank you for watching. Tap and share. Kim Magtoto. Hello, Kim. Thank you for watching. Tap and share. Send the stars, guys. Baka naman. Stars will help us doing this content like this every now and then. Okay. Si Jeremiah nandun po sa court number 3, Rafael. Nandun siya court number 3 for the semifinals, mid 2. Hi, Earl Mendoza. Thank you for watching. Tap and share. Tap and share, guys. Share, share, share. Thank you sa pag-like sa live. Thank you. Shout out kay Earl Mendoza is now watching. Rafael, nakita mo si Jeremiah, ano siya sa court number 3, semifinals, mid 2. Prince Masbang, thank you for watching. Shout out. Score. Ano score? (15-24). 17-24. 17-24 Prince score. Score is 17-24. Hi Arda Vicedo, thank you for watching. Shout out to you. Sir Milo will play against partner of Sir Milo is Sir Brett. Waiting for finals, Sir Milo. Shout out kay Prince Masbang. Thank you for watching, Prince. Share, Prince. Share the live. Guys, share naman kayo sa live natin. Share the live. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Hi, Jordan. Thank you for watching. Share the live, guys. Paabutin natin siya ng more viewers. Share the live, guys. Hi, Jordan Rocoma. Thank you for watching. Share the live, guys. Hi Sir Jane, thank you for watching. Ila-live po natin yung finals ng ating mid 2 match between Sir Brett and Milo versus Jeremiah and Aaron with the A.
Hey.
Waiting for the...
Wait.
Okay, championship round.
Championship round.
May laro ka ba?
Oh, championship.
Sir Jason, di ba, yung ganito, yung condition. Kapag nanalo sila, hindi, alas ka sa ganito. Pag nanalo ka, bibigay sa ganito. Para mas malibig mo kayo. Wala kayong may trabaho. Di ba, mas malibig? Estudyante pala. Estudyante.
Maya. Ikaw naman sabihin mo.
No, doctor. Doctor, very quick. Anong kahinaan ng kapartner niya?
Talo sa kasi pag naharap siya. Pero iwasan ni Maya yung iharap siya.
Kung hindi ko alam. Hindi, bibigay niya yung kay Sir Art pa. Bakit naglalako naman na si Sir Art? Mag-i-expect ako siya.
Kanino kaya niya bibigyan?
Kanino kaya? I think. Ay,
Sa kanya dalawa. Drink everything you can drink, okay?
What time is it?
No,
It's 10:30.
it's just 10:30. You don't have any appointments for
Pero
tonight, okay?
you have flight tomorrow, right?
Yes, I'm going to China in the morning.
Oh, Sir Brett,
China naman, that's fine.
Yes.
you have to rest early. Oh, so do you want to forfeit that game so you can go rest early?
No, it's okay to forfeit the game. How much is the pot money so we can just give you the money? No, Doc Brett, okay? That's ano yan?
Ano yan?
Soda.
Tapos, sumusupot ng money. Ang with soda, pop.
Good luck, Brett. This doesn't happen often. Before your flight. You should have a good, awesome moment. I'm satisfied with what we achieved. I was worried it would be 0 for 2 in the finals. That would be a problem.
Okay,
1 for 1.
so we're waiting for the double champ.
Kasi ilan na dito? Okay. May sana mo doon mo parang may yan. Sana may tubig pa ang ko sa ilang.
Di ba, Carl?
Something pala kayo ng haraan. Pala ba ito? Police friend, hindi kami na.
Hi guys, finals match for mid 2. Match between Milo and Brett versus Jeremiah and Aaron with the A. Mid 2 finals, Arenola Cup Sunday. Share guys, share the live. Jeremiah and Aaron with the A versus Brett and Milo. Hi Sir Jean, thank you for watching. Sir Jean, baka naman support us by sending star. Thank you for watching sa ating live. Thank you so much guys. Stop and share. Hi Amalia Navarro, thank you for watching. Last match for today's Arenola Cup Sunday finals, mid 2. Brett and Milo versus Jeremiah and Aaron with the A. Shout out kay Amalia, shout out. At least yung Ambi na dumayo dito, hindi sila uwing luhaan. Meron silang finals representative. Shout out sa mga taga-Ambi. Thank you so much for joining sa Arenola natin today. Shout out Ambi players. Shout out po sa ating Ambi players for joining sa Arenola for today. Tap and share guys. Hi Smart Tungol, thank you for watching. Share the live guys. Rafael, see Jeremiah is doing finals. Score please. 10-9. Score is 10-9. Score 10-all. Outside. Share the live guys. Hi George, shout out kay George na hindi naglaro today. Shout out to George. Thank you for watching guys. Hi Doc JP, thank you for watching. Doc JP, finals na po ito ng mid 2. Match between Brett and Milo versus Jeremiah and Aaron ng Ambi. Arenola Cup Sunday. Hi Amalia, thank you for watching. Hi Maliari Pilo, thank you for watching. Shout out to you. Mid 2 finals, Arenola Cup Sunday, only here at Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Pa-intense na ang laban guys, may sigalong nagaganap. Score please, 16. Ayo. 16 all? 16-13. Score 16-13. Score update 16-13. 16-13 score update. Thank you for watching, guys. Hi Amalia, this is Arenola Cup Sunday Live for mid-2 finals match between Jeremiah and Aaron versus Brett and Milo. Thank you for watching, Malyari. Shout out. Shout out po kay Ian Car de Jesus of Isao player. Hi Ian Car, kailan ka maglalaro ulit? Mid-2 finals, Carl, Arenola Cup Sunday, mid-2 finals. Match between Jeremiah and Aaron versus Brett and Milo. 18-13. Oh, that's nakaka-excitement. That's November 2. November 2, Sunday. Lalaro kayo? Welcome. See you. Hi, Rail Stephen Riva Torres. Thank you for watching. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Mid-2 finals, Arenola Cup Sunday, only here at Quick Play Badminton Center. Hi Sir RV, thank you for watching. Mid-2 finals po Sir RV. Arenola Cup Sunday, mid-2 finals. Thank you for watching. Share the live guys. Jeremiah and Aaron versus Milo and Brett. Mid-2 finals. Ay! 5, 4. Hi CJ Reyes, thank you for watching. Share the live. Hi Mark Joshua.
Ano ang score sa?
19-15.
19 serving 15.
Oo. 19 serving 15.
Kunin ko yan.
Ito po si Amber, natalo siya sa mid-1 finals.
Di sana, nag-ano ka na, nag-live ka na sa buong mundo. Oh, natalo po ako, 30-31.
Umalis ka dyan.
Bye ko yung Milo.
Sir, wag mo namang ibigay yung pan...
Si Dila Cruz mo win, wait lang guys ha.
Inside po siya. Ang score, sir?
Highlight.
Ay po. Hindi mo ginaliin si ano, Sir Ben.
Yun ang yung pagkakataon mo bumawa.
Ano rin po ako, nata-pressure po ako kasi...
First time mo na ano.
Hindi. Siyempre, si Mike Shane po pinag-serve at wala mo po akong lapit. Sorry po.
Okay lang, bawi next time.
Sabay po.
Bayo, ingat kayo.
Ingat po.
Ano kasing ginawa mo? Ba't ka na nabanyayo doon? Ba't nag-ano yung live kanina? Hmm? Wow! Ang lakas talaga ni Trevor, oh. Go, Trevor! Ay, grabe talaga, oh. Op.
Sorry.
Nakita ko sa live yun, sir. Oy, inside guys, inside po. Mahabol na po ang ating rank 1. Perfect po. Ang score, sir? 3-6. 23-26 na po yung score. Mahabol po yung ating rank 1 sa bracket A. Sorry naman, sir.
Nice game po.
Nice game, oh. 7-3. 27-23. Eight four. Outside talaga. Sir Milo, outside talaga. Ganun yung basehan natin, di ba, yung next point? Share guys. Pa-star naman dyan. Warning, 25. Wow. Hindi niya kasi okay. 6'9". Hindi niya masabi. O siyang aso. Ito. 27-29, no? Dalawa na lang po. 28-29, isa na lang po yung nahabol. Adult versus young. Wow! 29 all po. Umahabol na po yung matatanda. Oy, red card. 29 all po, 29 all. Young versus adult. Tapos. 29 all. Para silang tagdadalawa na lang. Wala pong dus, guys. Wala pong dus. Lamang na po yung matatanda. Nine. Guys, nanalo po yung matatanda. Oh. Brad, what can you say? Back-to-back champion. Jumbo.
I'm also the partner. You can also intervene and just only.
Yeah.
My Arthur Milo, my coach, Almer, and my family.
Wow. You're the third time player who is made in history. Back-to-back champion. Yeah. Third, yes.
Yeah, I mean, only season 9. It depends if my partner is great, just like Dr. Ben.
Oh, no. Wow, what a memories when you go back to China. When you go to China. Back to your row.
Because the score gap. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so.
22-28 and then we came back.
That was a epic comeback, right?
Wow, congratulations, guys. And to me also.
Unbelievable.
Sir Trevor, ano po yung masasabi niyo, sir? Wait.
Thank you for the support. See you sa T-Bad next year.
31-29.
Sayang, di ba nag-30 all?
Ay, Sir Jason. Share.
Share. See you again next Sunday, November 2. Arnola Cup Sunday. Share.
Oh, yung pera nalaglag. Oh, tapos na.
Sir Brett, congratulations.